we went ahead and drilled the weep hole in the charge air cooler. And also, this has been done, I think a couple months ago now, but I did go ahead and replace all the spark plugs in this guy. We're still getting the turbo noises here, and I'll show you here right quick. Right there. I wish this thing had a boost gauge on it so I could see what was actually happening. What I'm thinking is happening is we have either a vacuum leak or one of our actuators is going out. Well, you give her full load and it just gives you a whistle. That's weird. There's the actuator for the turbo. You can kind of see the rod in the background, not too well. Oh, it's gross. You pop the hose out, get your tester. It's got to be a pressure PSI guy. Here's our setup, and we're pressurizing. Pump 1. We got it's about 5 pounds right there. We do see actuation. We're at 20 pounds right there. Oh, hell. Huh. I'm not sure what to think of that because we were all the way up to 20 psi. I don't know if that is necessarily a actuator. That's the whole gosh darn turbo. I guess what we can do is we're gonna give her a little over 10-ish. And I'm just gonna try and help her. Maybe not. Oh wow, we lost that. Oh no, maybe that is just a stuck actuator. The old wastegate in the turbo housing itself is stuck right stiff. Let me show you how I know. I knew you were gonna ask. Well, how do you know? Oh, that's not good. Let's not. That's about full right there. Yeah, she works. A little rusty, but I mean, here we are. This was the issue. So I'm just freeing it up. We're gonna see if we can't get a couple more miles out of this thing. But the wastegate was stuck solid. It was not the actuator. The actuator is still good. So I've been working it with penetrating oil back and forth here, and we're almost ready to put it back together and see what she does. doing IWE actuator vacuum lines, because right here, it's broken twice on me now, and for, what was it, 40 bucks shipped to the door, we're gonna just go ahead and do it. We were having that turbo issue, and I finally think I fixed it, so that was pretty neat. It took some patience, and I had to pull the actuator off. We found out that wasn't the issue. It was the actual, the wastegate itself was sticking. As you can see, it's quite the project doing this. I'm going to set this new one in. I'm not going to really record. It's kind of boring. And it's really boring for me to edit out too. We'll bring it back when I get the new one in. It's pretty simple overall. Some of these guys can be a bugger. Now, this little area right here, it'll come up through there, and you got to fish it around. You gotta go through the center of that harness, have it kind of go underneath that motor there. You got a little pop Christmas tree holder thing there. And then this goes on the shock tower, and she goes back all the way into the actual IWE thing. We got that hooked back up again. Bam! On this side, right here, you really got to do a good job at fishing everything through. It's going to go up around there, and then come there. And goes all the way back there. So not too bad of a job. I took this little flappy dealy out, as well as a little flappy dealy down there, right there, just to kind of help. I did end up taking the harness from down there, and then we just kind of fished it all in.